This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove location from Instagram post on iPhone. So if you posted a photo or video to your Instagram with your location, follow these easy steps to remove the location from the post. Go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Go to your profile and tap on the post. Tap on this three dot at the top right. Tap on edit post. Tap on edit. Now tap on the location. Tap on remove location. Tap on done. And now reload your profile. And this is how we can remove location from Instagram post. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.